How to fix notification delays on LinkedIn app. Hey guys, welcome back. If LinkedIn notifications are arriving late or not showing up at all on your phone, this quick fix will help you get this problem sorted. Let's begin. You can start by checking your LinkedIn notification settings. For that, go ahead and open up your LinkedIn application on your device. Once logged in, you can go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the left side. From the pop-up, go to Settings. Now, on your Settings menu, you need to find Notification uh, and tap on it. From your notification, you need to make sure that you select your important notification like messaging, and make sure you select push notification is enabled for all. Once that is done, you can disable battery optimization for LinkedIn. For that, you can just go ahead and long press on LinkedIn, tap on the I button, and then from here you need to go to battery. From here you need to go ahead and select the unrestricted option to turn off battery optimization. Then you can also allow background data usage. Go to mobile data, make sure the background data usage is allowed, and you can also allow data usage while the data saver is turned on. Now you can also check your system notification permissions. For that, you need to go ahead and go to the notification permission for LinkedIn. So as you can see, I'm currently blocked the notification. So tap on the toggle to enable it and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.